Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use less data on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you want to help reduce the amount of cellular data the Instagram app uses, you can choose not to have Instagram preload videos over cellular connection. You can open on your Instagram apps and then tap on your profile. Tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. You can scroll down until you find Data Usage and Media Quality. Tap on that. You can see there's an option, Data Saver. The toggle is inactive. You can activate the toggle by tapping on the toggle over here, like this. When Data Saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. Now you can use less data on Instagram. If you choose to use this setting, video may take longer to load over a cellular connection. Choosing to use this setting won't affect the way Instagram works when using Wi-Fi. So that is how to use less data on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!